Jai Srimanarayana. 12th sloka of 13th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Jneyam yattat pravakshyami yajñātvā amrutamasnute anādi matparam brahma nasattat nasaduchyate. Om. Realize that you are eternal. When you enter a body, you are known as you are born. When you depart from a body, you are known as you are died. But you are eternal. Also, you are a belonging of Sriman Narayana. You have to realize this fact. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Krishna Paramatma saying that, Oh Krishna, Oh Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am eternal. Also I am the belonging of yourself. Oh Krishna, Oh Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your will. Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam Sukhamukhadamrutadravasanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam Rasamalayam Muhuraho Rasika Bhuvi Bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam Pravrajantamanupeta Krutyam Dvaipayano Virahakatara Ajuhava Putreti Tanmayataya Taravobhineduhu Tam Sarvabhuta Hrudayam Munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana Chaturmukha Brahma Saraswati Devi Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam Namaskritya Naram Chaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Vudirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 7th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Dharmaraju asking Narada Maharshi like this, O Narada, what was the reason that behind Maya taking away Paramasiva's effulgence, Maya causing damage to Paramasiva's effulgence? What was the reason? And how did Sri Krishna Paramatma helped Paramasiva to again gain his effulgence? Can you please tell me the entire story? Like that, when Dharmaraju asked Narada Maharshi saying like this, O Dharmaja, one of those days with the Paramatma's blessings, whatever the power that they have, Devatas fought with Asuras and Asuras got defeated. Then all the Asuras went and surrendered to Maya, asked help of Maya. Then Maya built 3 pattanas, 3 towns. One town is made out of gold. The second town is made out of silver. The third town is made out of iron. Those 3 towns, they won't stay at one place. They will be rotating, revolving and moving from one place to other place. Such is the nature of those 3 towns. And nobody will be able to access and trace where from those 3 towns are coming, where those 3 towns are going, in what directions they are traveling. Nobody is able to understand. That is how those towns were built and given to Asuras by Maya. Then what Asuras have done, they all started living in those 3 towns, and because Devatas were unable to trace about the place of those 3 towns, Asuras started attacking Devatas and started destroying all the places of Devatas. Then Devatas surrendered to Paramasiva. Tataste sa Ishvaraha lokaha vupasadya Ishvaram nataha trahi trahi Deenulamugaka Ishmadadheenulamai vundu memu Balaheenulagu mammu gavumu Isana Siva. They all surrendered to Paramasiva. Then Paramasiva, because of that compassion that he has, immediately saying to Devatas that don't be scared, I am here. Saram Dhanushi Sandhaya. Immediately Paramasiva shooted one arrow upon those 3 towns. With the power of that arrow, all the Asuras who were living in those 3 towns immediately got killed. They are dead. Then Maya, the one who is Mahayogi, what he did is he built one well in which there is so much of fluids which are known as Mruta Sanjeevini Rasam. So he built that well, he filled that well with Mruta Sanjeevini fluid, and whoever is dead, he put all those Asuras into those water, into those fluids, Mruta Sanjeevini Rasam. As and how these Asuras were left in that well by Maya, they all started coming back alive. Not just with normal body, but their bodies are like Vajrayudhas. Like that, all the Asuras became alive. Like that, Narada Maharshi narrating the story to Dharmaraju. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 13th chapter, 12th sloka. Jneyam yattat pravakshyami yajñātvā mrutamasnute anādimat param brahma na sattanna saduchyate. జ్ఞేయం యత్తత్ ప్రవక్ష్యామి యజ్ఞాత్వా మృతమశ్నుతే అనాదిమత్పరం బ్రహ్మ న సత్తన్నాసదుచ్యతే. శ్రీమన్నారాయణ కరిష్యే వచనం తవ. సర్వం శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.